What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Nikki here, and in today's video we're going to be talking about a stock that is better than Apple. And I know that's pretty bold of me to say, but you already know the drill. Let's get it.
Ooh, big bag. You not talking money, you can miss me with the chit chat. I'm not with the rah-rah or the riff.
Now, I truly cannot believe I'm about to tell you there's a stock better than Apple. And to be honest with you, I wouldn't say it's better than Apple in the sense of like the company is better. I'm talking better than Apple in the sense of Apple has grown so much. And quite frankly, it's kind of kicked itself in the rear with how much it's grown, because people who invested into it way back in the early beginning made a serious amount of money off this. And I feel like, will it grow that much again? I'm not really sure. Do I think it's going to continue to grow? Yes. Do I think we're going to see that big of a return? No, but it's all relative. And what I mean by this stock is better than Apple is I feel like we can get into this stock at a very cheap price with the potential of Apple-like returns in the future. And I'm not gonna make this a million years long, so let's get straight into it. Now, this stock is going to be Channel Advisor Corp, Ecom, if you will. Now, it's currently trading at the $27 mark. This company does not pay a dividend, which kind of obviously for me in my long-term dividend investing and really what I focus on is not ideal. But I do think if you're looking at a growth opportunity, if you're looking at something with Apple-like returns, this one can be for you and me, because I might put it into a growth portfolio or trade it or hold it short term or something like that. Fair value's coming in around the $33 to $35 mark, which instantly right off the bat could give you anywhere between $6 and $8 if it were to just get to fair value, which I think it's going to definitely go above and beyond that. So what exactly is this company? Well, e-commerce platform that helps companies drive digital sales. Now, if you've been here for a hot minute, you already know how obsessed I am with the e-commerce, the digital space, because quite frankly, more recently, the more I've thought about this, really thought about it, as scary as it is when I think about it, I don't believe that there's going to be a pre-pandemic situation. Our normal is what it once was, and that is, oh my God, that is frightening. And I don't quite agree with it, but I'm just living in the reality of the situation here. So something that really capitalizes on the fact that they're helping brands, companies basically grow online, which I have just absolutely pummeled into the ground at this point, is something that I want to be a part of. And so I really am trying to find some growth opportunities in stocks and companies that are embracing this reality, as unfortunate as maybe it is and scary as it is. In my opinion, I feel like we all should be doing that. But obviously that's my opinion. You already know how I feel about that. So let's go ahead and get on to the next thing about this company. So what exactly is it that they're offering? Why am I so kind of hyped about this one? Is because they are basically a one-stop shop. Okay, they are the end-all be-all. They are the one place that you need to go in helping brands and companies sell on places like Amazon, Walmart, eBay, and over 100 other marketplaces. So they give you the marketing, they give you the analytics that you need to see about all the data about what's going on with what you're doing. They give you fulfillment. I mean, it's just, like I said, it's just a one-shop stop. One shop, that's kind of one shop stop. Every time I feel like I say something's hard to say, I say it 10 times fast. I say it 10 times fast, and then I realize it's not that hard. So bear with me. And I seriously think a double-digit growth is a very realistic opportunity for this one. And on top of that, me being a long-term dividend investor, it's obviously crucial and important for me to know the company's balance sheet, but also know how much cash is available to cover debts, to get out of sticky situations, and ultimately pay me a dividend. So I do find that important. With growth companies, it's a little bit different. I obviously still want the balance sheet to be a-okay. Like, we're not trying to have issues. You know what I'm saying? But this one is absolutely beautiful. They have over $80 million of cash just sitting there, which is a safety net. You know, there's nothing like falling into just an absolute big pool of money. You know what I mean? Just jumping off and landing into a beautiful pit of dollar bills. Benjis, hopefully, really. Dollar bills could be a little nasty. That's like, how'd you get the dollar bills? You know what I mean? And to top it off, they only have about $9 million in debt. So their cash can cover their debt and then some. And this hair, my golly, you know, someone commented was like, you know, a woman's beauty is letting her hair flow. I'm like, y'all, I'm in a bunner hat 90% of the time, because if you're a female out there, which our female numbers are up a little bit, so I love that. Okay, let's go, ladies, let's step it up. Let's show these boys they're not the only ones in the game. But besides that, and besides this craziness, I read that comment and I was like, that's such a dude thing to say. No offense, obviously I don't want to look like, you know, homeless, but I don't really try to impress in that way. But also, if you're a girl, when your hair goes up, okay, when your hair goes up, whether it be a ponytail, a braid, a bun, it stays up. It doesn't go down until till you shower, and I shower in the evening, okay? So for me, it's like this till I shower, then we're down, then I live my life, and when I film, most of the time I put it up because I'm working or doing something and I want it out of my face. So sorry to disappoint, but most of the time my hair will be up, most of the time. But that's enough about my hair problems. What do you guys think about econ? Let me know down below if you are interested in putting it into maybe a growth portfolio, keeping an eye on it. I think the returns on this one could be very, very good. Something I think if you hold a short-term growth portfolio, a great ad. Let me know. Also, if you could just tap it in, okay? Tap that thumbs up button, really helps me out. If you are not yet subscribed to the channel and you like money, investing, I don't know, just making money, having a good ass time, that's what we do here. So hit the button, subscribe, let's hang out. And like always, you guys, you already know this part. I love you. If you made it this far to the end of the video, you are my most favorite people in the world. Come here, you know I love you. And like always, you guys, enjoy the journey, whatever your journey is. Always remember to do it, set your hearts on fire, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.